I am P. Venkateshwarlu, lecturer in mathematics in MES Government Degree College, Autonomous, Mahabubnagar. Now we'll discuss differential equation in first year syllabus. First year BSc, second semester. Now we'll start first of all differential equation of first order and first degree. First order means dy by dx. First degree means dy by dx. Now the definition of first order first degree differential equation is a differential equation is of the form dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y, where f of x comma y is a function of x and y. X and y. Now, this is also a first order first degree differential equation. Dy by dx is equal to f of x into g of y, or dy by dx is equal to f of x by g of y, which are the general form of the first order first degree differential equation. General forms. Now, first order first degree differential equations solving method, first method is the variables and separable method. Now, the variable separable method, some example, solve dy by dx is equal to x by y. Here, solution dy by dx is equal to x by y. That is equation number 1. Here, variables are x and y. Now, y dy equal to x dx. Now, integrating both sides. Now, integration of y dy is equal to integration of x dx plus c, where c is the integration constant. C is the integration constant. Now, y integration with respect to y, that is y squared by 2, equal integration of x dx equal x squared by 2 plus c. This is the solution of the required equation. Now, one more example on variable and separable method, that is solve e for x into dy plus 1 plus e for x into dx is equal to 0. This is also a first order first degree differential equation. Now, solution given e for x dy plus 1 plus e for x dx is equal to 0. Now, e for x into dy equal to minus of e for x plus 1 into dx. That is variable separable. Here variables are x and y. X times y times. Now, dy is equal to minus of 1 plus e for x by e for x into dx. Now, integrating on both sides, that is integration of dy equal to minus of 1 by e for x plus 1 of dx plus c, where c is a integration constant. Now, integration of y means that is y equal minus of 1 by e4x means integration of e4 minus x plus 1 into dx plus c that is y is equal minus of e4 minus x integration e4 minus x into minus 1 plus 1 integration x plus c. So minus of minus here plus, so y is equal e power minus x plus c. This is the required solution. Now one more example on variable and separable method. Solve dy by dx is equal to square root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. Given dy by dx is equal to square root of 1 minus y square by square root of 1 minus x square. Now this is also a variable separable method. Here variables are x terms and y terms. That is 1 by simplification 1 by square root of 1 minus y square into dy is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. So now integrating on both sides, now integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus y square into dy is equal to integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx plus c, where c is a integration constant. Now integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus y square integration is sine inverse of y. That means the sine inverse of y derivative is 1 by under root of 1 minus y square. So sine inverse of y is equal sine inverse of x plus c. Now here c is replaced by sine inverse of c also can be derived. So this is the required solution of the given differential equation. These are the examples of the first order and first degree differential equations. Now take one more example. Now solve dy by dx is equal to e power x plus y. Now solution, given dy by dx is equal e power x plus y. Now dy by dx is equal e power x into e power y. So here variables are x and y. So x terms and y terms are divide. So dy by e power y is equal e power x into dx. Now integration on both sides. Now integration of 1 by e power y into dy is equal integration of e power x to dx plus c. Now integration of 1 by e power y is replaced by integration of e power minus y into dy is equal integration of e power x, integration is e power x plus c. Here c is the integration constant. Now one more example. Now dy by dx is equal, solve dy by dx is equal to e power x into 1 plus y square of tan inverse y. Now solution, given dy by dx is equal e power x into 1 plus y square of tan inverse of y. Now dy by dx is equal e power x 1 plus sine 1 plus y square of tan inverse y. Here variables are x and y, so x terms and y terms. Now after simplification, 1 by 1 plus y square of tan inverse of y into dy is equal e power x into dx. Now integrating on both sides, now integration of 1 by 1 plus y square of 1 by tan inverse of y is equal to e power x into dx plus c. C is the integration constant. Now this is the form of integration of f dash x by f of x into dx, that is equal to log of x. So this is the form of the tan inverse y derivative is 1 by 1 plus y square. So the integration of f dash x by f of x dx is equal to f of x, log of f of x. Now using this formula, log of tan inverse of y is equal to e power x integration e power x plus c. Now this is the required solution of the given differential equation. Now one more example on variable and separable method, the first order and first degree differential equations. Now given dy by dx is equal to e power x of 1 by 1 plus y square. Now given 1 plus y square of dy is equal to e power x into dx. Now here variables are x terms and y terms. Now 1 plus y square dy is equal to e power x into dx. Now integrating on both sides, integration of 1 plus y square of dy is equal to integration of e power x dx plus c. Now one integration with respect to y square integration y cube by 3 is equal to e power x integration e power x plus c. Now this is the required solution. Now the first differential equation of first order and first degree is over. Some more problems, some differential equations reducible to variable and separable by using suitable substitution. Some example, solve dy by dx is equal to 4x plus y plus 1 whole square. This is the given problem. Now solution, given dy by dx is equal 4x plus y plus 1 whole square, that is equation number 1. Say now substitution, let 4x plus y plus 1 is equal to z. Now doing differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Now 4x derivative with respect to x4 plus y derivative dy by dx plus 1 derivative 0 equal to z derivative dz by dx with respect to x. After simplification, dy by dx is equal to dz by dx minus 4, that is equation number 2. C. Now using equation number 2 equations, now substitute the 2 in 1, that is 1 implies dz by dx minus 4 equal z square. Now after simplification, dz by dx is equal z square plus 4. Now this is two variables x and z. This is now this is a variable and separable method. Using some substitution, this is variable and separable method. Now variables are z and x. Now dz by z square plus 2 square is equal dx. Now integrating on both sides, integration of dz by z square plus 2 square is equal integration of dx plus c. Now using this formula, integration of 1 by x square plus a square into dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Using that formula, that is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Using that formula, 1 by 2 tan inverse z by 2. Integration of dx means x plus c. C is the integration. So where z is equal 4x plus y plus 1. Now substitute the z value 4x plus y plus 1. 1 by 2 tan inverse of 4x plus y plus 1 by 2 is equal to x plus c. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Now one more example on reducible to the variable and separable method. So what is our problem? Solve cos of x plus y into dy is equal to dx. This is also first order and first degree differential equation. So what is given? Cos of x plus y into dy is equal dx. After simplification, dy by dx is equal 1 by cos of x plus y. That is equation number 1. Say now substitution, let z is equal x plus y. Now z is equal to x plus y. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Now z derivative is dz by dx plus equal to x derivative is 1 plus y derivative with respect to x divided by dx. After simplification, now what is the value of dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to dz by dx minus 1. That is equation number 2. Say now substitute to equation number 2 in 1. Now 1 implies dz by dx minus 1 equal to 1 by cos z. Dz by dx is equal to 1 plus 1 by cos z. Now here dz by dx is equal to 1 plus 1 by cos z. Now this is also this is variable and separable method. Here variables are x and z. Now variables dz by 1 plus 1 by cos z is equal dx. That implies after simplification doing LCM, cos z by 1 plus cos z of dz is equal dx. After simplification, that implies 1 minus 1 by 1 plus cos z dz is equal dx. 1 minus 1 by here 1 plus cos z means that is 2 into cos square z by 2. That value is 1 plus cos z value is 2 cos square z by 2 into dz is equal to x. Now that implies 1 minus 1 by 2 of the cos square reciprocal is 6 square. So 6 square z by 2 of dz is equal to dx. Now 1 minus 1 by 2 6 square z by 2 of dz is equal to dx. Now integrating both sides, that is integration of 1 minus 1 by 2 6 square z by 2 into dz is equal integration of dx plus c. Now one integration with respect to z minus 1 by 2 sec inverse sec 1 by 2 6 square z by 2 integration, that is tan of z by 2, that is equal to, since the derivative of tan is 6 square, so that is equal to x plus c, where c is equal to integration constant, z is equal to x plus y. Now substitute the z value, x plus y is equal tan of x plus y by 2 is equal to x. Both sides x cancel, y is equal to tan of x plus y by 2 plus c. Now differential equations reducible to the variable and separable. One more example. Solve x plus y plus 1 whole square into dy by dx is equal to c. Solution: even 1 x plus y plus 1 whole square into dy by dx is equal to 1. That is equation number 1. Say, now substitution, x plus y plus 1 is equal to z. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Now derivative of x is equal to 1 plus y derivative dy by dx plus 1 derivative 0 is equal to z derivative dz by dx. After simplification, now what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to dz by dx minus 1. That is equation number 2. Now using equation number 2, 1 implies z square of the value of dy by dz is equal dz by dx minus 1, that is equal to 1. So z square of, here z square is multiplication. After simplification, dz by dx minus 1 is equal 1 by z square. Dz by dx is equal to 1 plus 1 by z square. This is pure variable and separable method. Here variables are z and x. So dz by 1 plus 1 by z square is equal to dx. So doing LCM, after simplification, z square by z square plus 1 into dz is equal to dx. Now here adding 1 and subtract 1. So z square plus 1 by z square plus 1 minus 1 by z square plus 1 is equal to dx. So it cancel 1 minus 1 by z square plus 1 into dz is equal to dx. Now integrating on both sides. Now integration of 1 minus 1 by z square. 1 means 1 square. 1 by z square plus 1 square into dz equal to integration of dx plus c. Now one integration with respect to z minus, this is integration of 1 by z square plus 1 square. That is the form of integration of 1 by x square plus a square into dx. That is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Using that formula, z minus tan inverse of z is equal x plus c. C is the integration constant, where z is equal x plus y plus 1. Now substitute the z value. Substitute the z value. X plus y plus 1 is equal 1 minus tan inverse of x plus y plus 1 equal to x plus c. Both sides except get cancelled. Y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y plus 1 plus c minus 1. So c minus 1, this constant, take this value is equal, take that is c1. So y is equal tan inverse of x plus y plus 1 plus c1. c1 is the one of the constant, that value is c minus c1. Now, differential equation first order and first degree method, first method is over, that is variable and separable. Some substitution method also solved, some reducible to the variable and separable. The second method is exact differential equations. Exact differential equations. Now, the equation is m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is a differential equation where m and n are functions of x and y. The equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, equation 1, suppose the equation 1 is exact, then dou m by dou y is equal dou n by dou x. In case dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, implies and implied, this is the necessary and sufficient condition for exact differential equation. So m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is exact. If the equation is the differential equation is exact, implies and implied, dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Otherwise, dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. The m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. It is exact. This is the necessary and sufficient condition for exact differential equation. Here m and m are the functions of x comma y. Take one example. Solve dy by dx is equal xy square minus 1 by 1 minus x square y. So given dy by dx is equal to xy square minus 1 by 1 minus x square y. Now after simplification, 1 minus x square y dy is equal xy square minus 1 into dx. After simplification, that implies xy square minus 1 into dx minus 1 plus 1 minus x square y into dy equal to 0. That implies xy square minus 1 into dx plus x square minus 1 into dy is equal to 0. That is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now, what is the general equation of the first order and first degree differential equation? This is the m dx plus n dy equal to 0. That is equation number 2. This is the general form of the first degree and first order differential equation. Value of m, the value of m is equal to x y square minus 1, comma, the value of n is equal to x square y minus 1. Now, m is equal to x y square minus 1. Now, doing a differentiation in particular, partially differentiation, here both sides partially differentiate with respect to x. Partially means only y is a variable, other than y terms are treated as constant. So dou m by dou y is equal, x is constant, y square derivative 2y minus 1 derivative 0. And the value of n is equal to x square y minus 1. Now here also differentiation, not the partially differentiation with respect to x, so that y minus 1. Now here also differentiation, not the partially differentiation with respect to x, so that is dou n by dou x is equal, here y is constant, the derivative of x square is 2x minus 1 derivative 0. So dou n by dou y is equal to 2xy, that is equation number 2. Dou n by dou x is equal to 2xy, equation number 2. Equation number 4. Now equation number 3 and 4, we have dou m by dou y is equal dou n by dou x. Now our given equation is exact differential equation. Our equation is exact differential equation. So every exact differential equation can solve this type. Number one, first step is integration of m dx. Here take x is the only variable, other than terms are constant. Here x, integration x m dx is equal, the value of m is equal x y square minus 1 of dx. Here y square is constant, the x integration is x squared by 2, 1 integration is x. Here integration of n, n does not contains x terms. So now what is the value of n? N does not contains n means terms are only minus 1. So minus 1 into dy. So minus 1 integration with respect to y, minus y. So the required solution is integration of x m dx plus integration of n dy is equal to c. Here n does not contains x terms. So this value is x square y squared by 2 minus x minus y equal to c. So x square y square minus, doing LCM, 2x minus 2y by 2 equal to c. So after multiplication, x square y square x square y square minus 2x minus 2y equal to 2c. 2c, that is equal to cy. This is the solving method of exact differential equation. Every exact differential equation can be solved by this method. So in case the given differential equation is first order and first degree differential equation like this mode, like this type, so here m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is not exact. When it is not exact, our subset condition is not satisfied. What is our subset condition? Dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou y. Not equal. In case it is equal, the given differential equation is exact. This value is not equal to dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. Then m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is not exact differential equation. Not exact differentiation. Today, to discuss first order and first degree differential equation. Next class, the first order, first degree differential equation can later we will discuss class. Next class.